Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to install vidIQ on Google Chrome. Before we start, if you don't have a vidIQ account yet, you can use the link in the description or pinned comments to unlock premium vidIQ features for only $1 for your first month. It's the easiest way to test vidIQ on your own YouTube channel and follow this tutorial step by step. Alright, so first up, go ahead and open up Google Chrome, and then once you're in here, just go ahead over to the top right, click on the three dots, and then just find extensions, okay? And in here, go ahead and click on Visit Chrome Web Store. Wait for it to load. And then once it loads, go to the top, click on the search box and type down vidIQ. And then you'll be able to find vidIQ Vision for YouTube. So just click on it and go ahead and click on Add to Chrome. There'll be a pop-up, Add Extension, and then just wait for the process to finish. If you have YouTube right here or YouTube Studio open, to close it, okay, or just refresh the page. So let's go ahead over to YouTube right here. Wait a bit, and after that, right here at the top right, you'll be able to see it. Okay? Here in the left panel as well, and when you go ahead over to your YouTube Studio, vidIQ will still be available right here, and when you go ahead and upload your content, vidIQ will still be able to help you optimize your content. All right? And there you have it. That's how easy it is to install vidIQ on Google Chrome. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.